The episode starts with Devi Ahilya coming to Bhola. Bhola asks her about Renuka. Is she still crying? Devi Ahilya asks him about his relatives. He tells about his relatives. She asks his Kaka's name. He says, I do not remember him and did not ask his name. She brings him to the darbar. Bhola meets his relatives. Kaka says, Babi had sent a message to us. She wanted to give you to us. He asked Malhar Sarkar to give them a chance to raise Bhola. Yuvraj Khanderao says, it's clear that this boy does not recognize you. How shall we believe that you are his Kaka and Kaki? How do we believe you? Kaka says, I am Srihari and Lakshmi is my wife. Bhola's dad was my brother. Legal documents have our names written. Devi Ahilya says, fine. But how do we believe that you are really Srihari? We have to find out. Srihari says, we are poor people. Why would we do wrong? Devi Ahilya asks, how will we find out the truth now? Lakshmi says, I had made Bhola wear a copper bracelet in childhood. I got the other one of the pair with me. Bhola sees it and says, yes, it's mine. Gunuji recalls making his men search Bhola's house and getting that bracelet. Kailas comes and says, I found out that Bhola's relative lives in a far village. Gunuji says, we can link this bracelet with the relatives. Go and make a bracelet exactly like this. He smiles. FB ends. Gunuji says, now it's proved that Bhola is Srihari's nephew and we should give Bhola to them. Yuvraj Khanderao asks them to take Bhola. They ask Bhola to come. Bhola asks, can we take Renuka along? Srihari asks Bhola to come. Bhola asks Renuka to come along. Can I never meet her again? Malhar Sarkar says, Devi Ahilya, you said when you had seen Bhola, his financial condition was not good. I will arrange funds for him for his future. Bhola runs to Renuka and hugs her. Renuka cries and asks him to go with his Kaka and Kaki, but not forget her. Gunuji signs Sri to take Bhola. Renuka cries. Gunuji says, we can take the matter ahead now. Devi Ahilya thinks, I promise Renuka that she will get her happiness. Renuka cries and runs out of the darbar. Devi Ahilya goes after her. Renuka sees Bhola's toys and cries. Devi Ahilya hugs her. Renuka says, Bhola also left us. Devi Ahilya consoles her. Yuvraj Khanderao says, sees Renuka's mental state, we should not call her to the darbar again. So I dismiss the darbar. We will keep hearing in few days and then a decision. Kailas says, I will come whenever the hearing is held. I will also contribute to the development plan. Yuvraj Khanderao thanks him. Gunuji says sorry to say all that to Devi Ahilya. She would be tensed in pregnant state. Yuvraj Khanderao says, don't worry, I will handle her. I am glad to see that you worry for her. He goes. Kailas says Devi Ahilya fell down on her face and that Bhola's Kaka and Kaki are on the way. The cart rider hears them. The couple is happy to get the money and gifts from the palace. Bhola asks about their family. They do not answer him. Bhola asks Kaka to talk to him. Srihari scolds him. The cart rider stops the cart and says, it's time to give water and the food to the cows. He goes. Devi Ahilya asks Renuka to have water. She says, I understand your pain. I cannot believe whatever happened. Don't cry. Be strong. I cannot bring Bhola back, but I will fulfill my promise of getting your rights and justice. Renuka says, I do not want any rights.